Mirka abrasives are already built to last, but with a few smart habits, you can make them go even further. Today, we'll walk you through simple steps to extend the life of your discs, sheets, and belts. Better performance, less waste, more value. Let's get into it. Make sure you are using the right abrasive for the job. Sometimes your abrasive will need a bit of a clean just to keep the performance up. You can do this by blowing compressed air through the abrasive or sucking up extra dust through your dust extraction hose. For paper-backed abrasives, you can lightly tap them or vacuum the abrasive. Let the sandpaper do the work. Excessive pressure wears out the grit faster and can overheat the material. Using the abrasive with a reliable dust extraction system helps keep both the abrasive and your workplace cleaner and virtually dust-free while you work, reducing clogging, overheating, and helping your abrasives last longer. If using sheets or belts, rotate or reposition them before they wear out in one spot. Keep your abrasives in a dry, cool place to prevent humidity-related damage. Mirka's storage cases are perfect for this purpose. Store net or mesh abrasives flat to avoid curling or warping. Stick to recommended speeds and avoid staying in one spot too long. This helps prevent unnecessary heat and uneven wear. When sanding contours or delicate surfaces, using a Mirka interface pad can reduce pressure points, protect the abrasive, and improve finish quality. Start with a coarser grit and work your way finer gradually. Jumping straight to a fine grit on rough surfaces wears it out prematurely. If you're reusing abrasives, mark or separate them by grit and usage level to avoid accidentally using a worn-out one on precision work. These tips might seem simple, but they go a long way in getting the most out of your Mirka abrasives. With just a bit of care before, during, and after sanding, you'll enjoy better performance, longer life, and cleaner results every time, not to mention less waste and money saved along the way.